In this video, we're exploring the 5 best smart door locks for 2025. From enhanced security features to seamless integration with your smart home, these locks bring both convenience and protection to your doorstep. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. Goking Smart Door Lock. The Goking Gold Smart Lock is a robust and elegant security solution made from high-strength aluminum alloy that offers outstanding corrosion resistance and durability. This means the lock is built to last, withstanding the elements while keeping your home safe for years. The lock comes with a 4,200 mAh lithium battery, which is both rechargeable and environmentally friendly. You can charge it repeatedly without compromising performance. It supports up to 300 fingerprints and includes password and integrated circuit card options, providing versatile access methods. For safety, the Goking Gold Smart Lock features an automatic locking mechanism. Once the door is closed, the latch pops out and locks itself, offering peace of mind. If needed, the lock can also be opened with a traditional key, ensuring you can always access your home. One of the standout features of this smart lock is its advanced facial recognition technology. Utilizing bionic binocular, three-dimensional face recognition, it can automatically unlock after detecting your face, even in low-light conditions thanks to infrared light technology. This system ensures high-level security as it resists photos, videos, and makeup disguises, guaranteeing that only authorized individuals can unlock the door. Inside, a high-definition display lets you monitor activity outside your door. When someone rings the doorbell, you can clearly see who's there, adding an extra layer of security for your family. Number 4. Tuya 3D Smart Lock. The Tuya 3D Face Recognition Smart Lock offers state-of-the-art security with its advanced three-dimensional face recognition system. It captures dynamic, three-dimensional data using a camera that simulates human eye imaging, ensuring precise identification and preventing unauthorized access from photographs or disguises. Security is a top priority with the Tuya Smart Lock. It features anti-electromagnetic interference technology to safeguard the main board from external disruptions. And in emergencies, you can easily open the lock manually using a knob. The smart lock is equipped with a 4.5-inch high-definition color screen, giving you clear visibility of who's outside. It also has video intercom capabilities, allowing you to remotely unlock the door through the mobile application, no matter where you are. Thanks to its ultrasonic intelligent induction, the lock activates when a person is detected within 40 to 80 centimeters. This technology is efficient and energy-saving, providing long-lasting performance. Even at night, the intelligent fill light ensures effortless unlocking. The Tuya Smart Lock offers a virtual password feature with up to 30-digit inputs, keeping your passcode secure from prying eyes. One of the most convenient features is the ability to unlock the door simply by brushing your face against the scanner, offering hands-free access when you have your hands full. With 7 different unlocking methods: face recognition, fingerprint scanning, password entry, traditional key, integrated circuit card, mobile application, and remote control, this lock ensures you have access whenever you need it. Number 3. Tiago X7 3D Smart Lock. The Tiago X7 3D Smart Lock combines advanced three-dimensional face recognition technology with fingerprint scanning and magnetic card access for enhanced security. It can store up to 100 fingerprints, making it ideal for multiple family members. Additionally, you can save up to 100 passwords and 100 magnetic cards, giving you flexible access options. Each entry is read in less than 0.5 seconds, ensuring quick and efficient entry whether you use a biometric scan or a password. This smart lock is powered by a 4,200 mAh built-in lithium battery, which is rechargeable and designed for long-lasting use. In case of an emergency, it includes a universal serial bus interface for easy power supply, ensuring you are never locked out. Constructed from durable zinc alloy, the X7 Smart Lock offers both security and aesthetic appeal. It supports a wide range of Dr. thicknesses from 4 cm to 12 cm and is compatible with wooden, metal, iron, steel, or aluminum doors. The lock is also adjustable for both left and right door opening directions. The X7 operates in a broad temperature range from -15 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, with a humidity range of 20% to 80% relative humidity. However, it is not waterproof, so it should be installed in a suitable environment. The lock also offers a system language voice option in both Chinese and English for convenience. Number 2. Samsung SHP-DP72 Intelligent Lock. The Samsung SHP-DP72 Intelligent Lock offers both accessibility and security with its thoughtful features. It includes a welcoming function that ensures easy entry while maintaining safety, and a silent mode, which is ideal for homes with young children, allowing for quiet access without disturbing anyone. The auto wake-up feature ensures the lock is always ready for use, and the low battery alarm with an LED indicator light keeps you informed of its status. Utilizing next-generation semiconductor fingerprint recognition technology, the SHP-DP72 delivers fast and accurate authentication, providing a quick and secure way to enter your home. This eliminates the need for remembering passwords, which is especially beneficial for children and elderly family members. Convenience is built into the design with a quick and easy push-pull handle, allowing effortless entry even when your hands are full. The lock operates softly and quietly for a smooth experience. For added security, the SHP-DP72 features an anti-theft mode, which can be activated when you're away, reducing the risk of intrusion. The lock also offers silent mode to prevent unlocking sounds, making it ideal for nighttime use. In case of emergencies, such as a dead battery or forgotten personal identification number, the lock includes an emergency key feature for traditional key access. Additionally, it offers external power options using a standard mobile phone charging cable, ensuring you're never locked out. The virtual password feature enhances security by allowing you to input a random floating security code before entering your actual password. Number 1. Lockin V5 Max Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The Lockin V5 Max Wi-Fi Smart Lock is an innovative solution for securing your home or office, combining advanced technology with ultimate convenience. It is designed to fit doors with a thickness ranging from 40 mm to 120 mm and is compatible with various materials, including wood, steel, glass, and brass, making it suitable for nearly any door. A key feature of the V5 Max is its support for personal identification numbers up to 20 digits long. It also includes decoy options, which help protect your access code from prying eyes. For unlocking, the V5 Max offers multiple options, including advanced 3-dimensional face recognition, fingerprint scanning, personal identification number entry, and near-field communication card access, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred method. The lock uses sophisticated biometric technology, including 3-dimensional face recognition and palm vein scanning, ensuring secure and precise access. With seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, it integrates easily with My Home and HomeKit, allowing you to control and monitor the lock remotely through your smartphone. For added security, the V5 Max features a built-in screen and camera, enabling you to view your doorstep remotely through the My Home application. It also includes a visual cat eye monitoring feature, providing an additional layer of safety. With its combination of advanced technology and convenience, the Lockin V5 Max Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a top choice for those looking to secure their home or office with ease. There you have it, the 5 best smart door locks for 2025. Whether you prioritize security, ease of use, or smart features, these locks have something for everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe for more reviews. Stay safe and secure.